In Greenwood, Indiana, Center Grove Community Schools is making history, leading the charge toward renewable energy. Through an energy savings contract with CMTA, the district is cutting energy use, lowering utility bills, and slashing carbon emissions. The scope is monumental. 3 megawatts of solar panels, ground and roof mounted across district facilities. By incorporating targeted retrofits, this ambitious plan paves the way for long-term sustainability and financial resilience. At the heart of the effort are Indiana's first 2 net zero energy schools, Maple Grove and Sugar Grove Elementary, funded entirely through guaranteed energy savings. Both use geothermal HVAC and solar PV systems that save over 2 million kilowatt hours every year, more than $317,000 in annual costs. Over the next 20 years, Center Grove will save an estimated $22 million, funds that can be reinvested into education, facility upgrades, and the community itself. CMTA is proud to partner with Center Grove Community Schools, engineering a future powered by sustainability.